Bienvenue sur Channel Jeff Denis 56.
Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Jeff Dennis, your Creole teacher. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can ask questions with the is and the or in English. So to form question with the is and the or, let's see how you can form it, guys. So let me translate in Creole. Jodi a nan leçon sa, mwen pral montre ki jan yo forme question avec the is et the or. Et mwen pral rappele tout ki sa yo vle di en créole. Yo vle di eske genyen. Par exemple, l'on dit there is, en français, le dit il y a. L'on dit there or, li vle di il y a aussi. Mais mwen te di kon sa, le mwen di there is, yo utilize there is pour singulier. Le m'a parlé de yon green bagay. Mwen te di there or, yo utilize there or pour pluriel. Le m'a parlé de deux bagay. Mais tout de vle di il y a. Eske genyen. C'est ça yo vle di. Donc, pour me former une question avec des is et des or en anglais, qui ça m'a fait? M'a prend verbe être là qui c'est verbe esa qui conjugué a, m'a mettel devant there. M'a dit is there. Li vle di en français y a-t-il. Ouais, li pa vle di il y a-t-il. Li vle di y a-t-il. Laisse à moi gen questions mark qui c'est point interrogation. Laisse ça depuis moi c'est une question que yo posé. Par exemple, m'a dit il y a-t-il. M'a dit is there. Il y a-t-il? Is there. En créole, eske. Ouais. Or there. Li vle di eske toujours. Y a-t-il toujours. Mais yo ti utiliser or, there pour pluriel. Okay, guys? Let's see some example. How you can ask questions in Asian Creole with is there and or there. Let me remind you once more again, guys. There is used for one thing, singular. The or used for plural when we talk about several things. Okay, guys? Let's see some example how you can ask question with is there and or there in English. Okay, for example, examples. The first questions, okay? Is there a plane? Is there a plane? Yes, there is. En créole, est-ce que gen yon avion? Oui, gen yon avion. Okay? Once more again, is there a plane? Yes, there is. Li pa forcément positif ou bien négatif. Li capable négatif, li capable positif. Okay? Your answer can be positive or negative. Depend those questions. Okay? Là. Next example. Example B. Is there a blue pen? Is there a blue pen? Yes, there is. Okay, without repeat pen again. You can say yes, there is a blue pen. Okay. Is there, example C. Is there a dog? Yes, there is. Okay. Why now? Let me translate and create the example A. Is there a plane? Li veut dire est-ce que gen un avion? Ou ap répondre en même, ou ap dire oui, gen un avion. Ou ap dire yes, it is. Okay? Is there a blue pen? Est-ce que gen un plume bleu? Ou dit yes, there is. Oui, gen. Okay? Laisse-moi confirmer. Is there a dog? Est-ce que gen un chien? Ou confirmer ou dit yes, it is. Okay? Yes, gen. Donc, là nous arrive puis devant nous allons parler des adjectifs pour que ça me dit pen blue. Okay? Why I don't say pen blue? Okay, guys, in next video, I will teach you why I don't say pen blue in English. Okay, so let's take some examples about or there for plural. Okay, let's see. Or there. Dès que l'aime faire or there, on prend verbe là, être là qui conjugue à mettre devant there. Eh bien, laissez me poser une question, laissez moi questions mark. Okay, moi point d'interrogation. For example, example A. Or there 5 students. Okay? Or there 5 students. Okay? Yes, there are. Or there 2 apples. Yes, there are. Let me translate in Creole right now, guys. Are there 5 students? Est-ce qu'il y a 5 étudiants? ou répond nous dit yes there are. OK, me dit oui genyen. Genyen, OK? Are there two apples? Est-ce que genyen deux pommes? Ou répond nous dit yes it is. Yes there are. Sorry guys. So guys, this is how you can ask question with there is and there are. So guys, if you don't understand something, just let me know in a comment. I will be able to reply to you as much as possible. Thank you guys for being watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like. If you don't like, guys, you don't encourage me. Please do it.